All right. So yeah, hi guys. Today is July 17th, and the update for today is I got a fever, cold, and also headache altogether because of the change in weather. Hence, no studies today. Instead of studying, I have been keeping House of the Dragon for a long time. So I binged it today. 5 episode of that. I'm a big fan of Game of Thrones universe. Hence, I did that today. Most of the times when I get sick, I binge on some shows which I'm keeping it in my wait list. So, yeah, it's a blessing in disguise. So, the good thing is that I watched the show. The bad thing is the study is not done for today. Hopefully, I will get better tomorrow and we will resume the studies. And yeah, that will be it for today. And yes, I could have slept today instead of watching it, but it will ruin my sleep cycle tomorrow. I might not get sleep at night. Hence, I purposefully woke up in the day, and yeah, I will sleep and recover for tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. That's it for today, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.